Okay, guys, I'm not going to weld with it. I'm just going to go through the display, the settings. So what I'm going to do is zoom you right into here, and I'm going to walk through the different things that you have here that you can do with the Riland multi-process MIG 205DS inverter welder. Okay, so I'm going to pull you in like that, and you should be able to see that pretty clear on your phone or TV. Okay, so basically you have your mode button. It's labeled mode right here. Now you're not seeing me, you're seeing my hand. This button right here has some menu functions right here, and this is generally just your adjusting for the synergic settings, okay? So I'm gonna press mode, and we'll go to the top, and we'll start there. Okay, so that's your stick welding, right? Now it has VRD. If you don't want VRD, VRD is a safety feature that when the machine's not in use, it cuts the power to the stick holder so that you don't accidentally touch something and throw power at yourself. If you want to get rid of it, you can long hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. There. Okay, I had to let go. So it's gone. And so VRD is turned off. So now if I had the electrode holder in, that would be live. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Electrode holder is, if it's plugged in, VRD is on and helping protect you. Okay, so we have lift TIG. Now it does not come with the TIG torch, but if it did come with the TIG torch, this is where you would go and you would use your synergy-based settings for TIG. Let's see here. We can apply voltage. Now everything's through 10 amp. Up to, this is on 110, by the way. I'm only plugged in on 110. I'm shocked they're showing it going out to 205. I have absolutely no expectation of it getting to 205 amps on 110 volt. You would have to use the adapter and take it to 220. Okay. Let's see if there's any mode actions. No, not with that button. Okay. So we're going to go MIG mag. Okay. So this would be your flux core. And in here you have 2T. And in here you have settings for your arc length and inductance. So if you tap it once, that's your arc length. Tap it twice, that's your inductance. So you can run up to 20 on inductance, down to 20. And same thing with arc length. You can go up to 30 and you can go to negative 30, right? It comes on 0 from the factory. Now that same thing, when you don't touch it, you notice it goes away. So if I hit that, there's your arc length. It goes away if I don't do anything. 2T, 4T. Okay, we're gonna go, there's your MIG mix. So that's your 75-25 mix, right? Same thing, I have arc length, I have inductance, and if I don't touch it, it goes away. I have long hold. Oh, hold on, gotta let it fade off for the 2T, 4T. Okay, 2T, long hold. 4T, long hold. Didn't long hold long enough. 2T, okay, that's your, like I said, that's your mixed gas, 75-25. Flux core. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? Let me go back. This MIG mag here is for 100% CO2. I was wrong on that. That's CO2. That's your 75-25. That's your flux core. So flux core, you just have your 2T, 4T. You still have your, right here, you have your arc length. You have your inductance. Oh, hold on. There's your 4T. You got a long hold longer. Long hold bit. 2T, okay? And your final step down is spool gun. Again, it doesn't come with the spool gun, but you can get a spool gun for it. Most all of these machines use a standard connector for tying in your spool gun or your TIG torch switch. But this gives you all the features, like I said, stick, lift TIG, MIG mag CO2, MIG mag 75-25, flux core, spool gun, and back around and around. Arc length, inductance, and let's see, in MMA, I don't think they have any hidden settings over here. No, just VRD. So it doesn't have a specific 60-10 setting. Some of your welders out there do have a 60-10 setting. Let me bring this back out of zoom here. Okay, so this is the second Riland brand welder that I've got. The other one that I already have played with, I've set up, done unboxing, testing, and welding. Riland seems to work just fine. It's a fairly easy to use display. It's very clear and easy to read large numbers. Like for me, I usually wear glasses with the cheater lenses on the bottom. This is so big, I have no problem seeing it. Some of them are a little small. This is really nice. I showed you in the original unboxing video. It actually has a really nice feed motor set up on it. It's set up for a 10-pound spool from the factory. You could take this off and pull the adapter for the 10-pound if you want to run 1-pound spools, you can. We talked about the ground. It's a really nice MIG torch, nicer than most of the import ones I've seen. The ergonomics are really good. The trigger's not too firm, but it's not a dead trigger like some. It's a standard slip fit nozzle with the short contact tips. Really good little machine, and I'll get it together and get it welding here in a bit, and I'll do another video on that. But that's the display and the settings, and shows you what we got. Thank you guys.